I'm back with another analysis on GBPUSD. Starting from the weekly chart, as you can see, price created a lower low with an impulsive downtrend and then reversed to the 50% of Fibonacci level as well as the resistance zone as its corrective structure. Jumping into the daily chart, we can see so far this corrective structure had a form of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with a truncation on the fifth wave, and coming up followed by an ABC, which might be the possible flat. Also, it is less than 38%, as you can see. Taking a much closer look to this corrective structure, this daily corrective structure here, jumping into the hourly chart, we can see this last wave, which is our B, had a form of a sharp ABC itself, which the last wave, which it was its C, it is almost to 161% of the first wave as the destination, and also again almost to the top of this weekly resistance zone. However, if I take a closer look again onto this last C wave, I can see it has a shape of an ending diagonal, which has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and each of these, the inner waves has a form of ABC, even the impulsive wave, because the ending diagonal, also the impulsive wave, has a shape of ABC. And I'm expecting after this ABC, as this last corrective structure, I'm expecting another ABC to the top of this channel, as well as completing to 161 as we discussed, also to the top of these big resistance weekly zone to complete its form of its correction, this fifth wave, which is the end of this C wave, which is the end of the corrective B wave of that major weekly wave. Expectation is that we might see an uptrend, just a short uptrend to complete this momentum, but however, as a short term, I'm expecting down, just reverse, because this uptrend seems to be done. I'm expecting a reversal down to the bottom of the channel. But also there is another scenario. If so far price has created a double top, and it might not reach out to the top of that channel or top of this weekly resistance zone, and might be reversed to the previous support zone just immediately. That can be another scenario as well. However, in the 4 hour, also as you saw that how this ending diagonal is shaping, we can see that it had a divergence with another indication of the reversal of this ABC after it's completed its momentum to the top of this channel or at the moment. However, we talked a lot about the short term. Let's talk about the midterm. Coming back to the daily chart, this downtrend, it is not just to somewhere in middle. Also, I'm expecting that it just extended to the bottom of this support zone to complete this possible flat shape, or even more to 38%, or again even more, to create an ABC as a sharp zigzag form of that. Jumping back to the weekly, so after this corrective structure, regardless of its shape, if it is a sideways structure or it's a sharp, I'm expecting a reversal back as a bullish momentum to this 50% as well as resistance zone. Also in a very long term, we might see some sort of breakout to complete this bigger ABC, this primary ABC on the weekly chart after this impulsive wave. That was our analysis for today. Hope you enjoyed, but until next analysis, thanks for watching.